So I've opened up my poetry packet. I'm on page 11. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I see something down here, but then I see something that says I am. I want you to flip it sideways like that. Okay. Flip it sideways. Okay. All right. So it says I am, that has a bunch of blanks. Oh, that's kind of weird. Okay. So I'm looking where it says I am. I am what? What are you right now, Alex? You're alive. Okay, I can write I'm alive. Bug, what are you? Wonderful. I am wonderful. I am Bug. I am tired of Mr. Bean looking at me like that. I am wondering why Hunter's not wearing socks. I am tired of eating pancakes every morning. I am wishing I was still in bed. I'm wishing I had more coffee in my coffee mug. Okay. What I want you to do right now is just complete that one statement. I am. So I'm going to say I am wishing I had more coffee. Wishing I had more coffee. Okay. Now it says I wonder. I wonder if Callie's going to jump me today. I wonder if Logan Jones is going to throw a chair at me. I wonder if Shima really is a rapper named Shima Las Vegas. I wonder if Hunter secretly has a mustache underneath that mask. I wonder what came first, the pancakes or the waffles. Ooh, I wonder. Y'all write a statement right now for I wonder. I wonder if you can really see John Cena. I wonder if you can really see John Cena. Okay? Now I hear, again, I'm just going to keep filling this out. I hear that Bug is good at ballet. Bug, are you good at ballet? You are now. I don't care. You are now. I see. I see everyone but John Cena. But John Cena. Now, my thing so far doesn't make a lot of sense, but that's okay. I want a PlayStation 93. What PlayStation are they on right now? Man, I got ways to go before I can get a 93. I am hungry. Okay. Now, so far, my thing doesn't make a lot of sense, but that's okay. All right. I pretend that I'm Spider Man. Oops. Messed that up. Hang on. I'm Spider Man. I feel the love tonight. Can you feel the love tonight? I touch my nose. I worry that Callie is going to jump me. Going to jump me. Callie, you're not going to jump me, are you? She's like, I make no promises. I have no money in my wallet, so, you know. I cry. I cry me a river. Cry me a river. Cry me a river. I am wishing I stayed in bed. I understand. What do I understand? I understand that Pancakes are awesome. I say, what's that? Say what I want to say. Obviously, y'all's is looking different than mine. I dream of a white Christmas. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. I hope John Cena can't see me. I hope John Cena can't see me. And then I am Miguel. For that. Now, my poem does not make a lot of sense, okay? But I got the poem done. Okay. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but I got it done, okay? So check this out. Don't come at me with what 3 words? I don't know. So here we go. I am Bryce. Here we go. I am
in love with hunting.
In love with hunting. Hunter. I wonder. And mirrors show what we really are. Aiden, I hear. News about pandas. Hex, I see squirrels. Shima, I want to be at home. Man, I feel that by my soul right there. Bug, I am sleepy. I pretend, Callie. I pretend. You can do this. I pretend what? What do you write down? I will come back to you. Alex, I pretend. I pretend. Come on, you can do this. Oh my gosh, guys, here we go, Bug. I pretend. Oh, do I ever be that cool? So not cool. Logan Jones, I feel tired. Logan Else, I touch.
I guess my hands.
Yes, there we go. Jesse, I worry. That's not enough. I cry, Alex. I cry blood. Callie, that's kind of demented. I am wishing I stayed at home. There we go, Bryce. I understand. Oh, what'd you write down? I understand. The school sucks. Hunter, I say hello to people. Bug, I dream of sheep. Ooh, I love that. Aiden, I hope. Make something up. You can do it. I get to go home, Shima. I'm Shima. There we go. Hey, now, odds are you did not create the most beautiful piece of art, did you? Maybe a little bit. All right, fantastic. Okay, first period, they all agreed that theirs was not the most beautiful piece of art, but that's okay. All right, so everybody take one more deep breath for me. So here we go. All right, so we'll come back to this idea in just 1 second.